this case, it is possible that the patient had an episode of cholecystitis or appendicitis. Please scroll. Which could have led to pyogenic liver abscess formation. However, this complication is very uncommon in these two conditions. Other intra-abdominal problems such as diverticulitis can be complicated by hematogenous spread to the liver and abscess formation. In most cases, any abscess formation is usually adjacent to the infected organ itself. Abscess formation is a well-recognized complication of acute pancreatitis, where purulent collection is around the pancreas itself. Interamoeba histolytic amoebiasis is found globally and is transmitted by fecal-oral contact. About 10% of liver abscesses originating in Western communities are amoebic in origin. Most infections usually remain symptom-free. While it is possible that there was an intra-abdominal septic focus, e.g. appendicitis, to explain the liver abscess in this patient in terms of frequency. Please scroll.
Good morning, everybody. It's currently 5:48 in the morning. I just finished a session of just like with my other medical doctors. If you don't know, I am a medical graduate. I took a gap year and now I am finding my way back to clinical medicine. If you're interested in that, make sure to join and board into my journey by subscribing. If you are also in a similar journey, please make sure to let me know in the comment section, or if you're just interested, curious, then yeah, no problem, come ahead. What am I saying, guys? In the morning it's so hard to articulate your thoughts properly, but yeah, I have been up since 4, so almost 2 hours now. I feel like going back to sleep. Bless me. I feel like going back to sleep, but I know that's a bad idea. There's a lot of things that I want to do today. I want to organize myself as well. So yeah, spend the morning with me. currently 10:15, so I have not eaten anything at all, just coffee. So I am making like a brunch with some noodles, egg, tomatoes. I have some onions as well, so I'm just gonna make myself some egg noodles. I don't know. I'm just gonna make something to eat, and then I'll go shower, freshen up, and continue to come down and work for a bit. But yeah, come cook with me. Hey guys, so I am going to finish eating, and there are some things that I need to finish up, and then I would go to take a shower. However, I have to end the video right here. It's actually not easy to film and do your daily routine. Takes more time, more energy, and definitely lots and lots of angles. Make sure you like this video. If you would like to support my channel, subscribe as well. And until I see you next time, good luck in your own journey and your own, I guess, life goals. As you also watch mine. Take care. Oh, make sure to also tell me what your journey is. Like, what are you looking forward to? What is, I would love to learn a little bit more about you guys as well, the people that are watching. And yeah, until we meet next time, bye bye.